This warm beverage is a kickstarter for the day as it powers up your metabolism. Coffee can protect against certain illness and promote heart health. Many people may not know that they can add everyday kitchen products to their coffee, which may help burn calories and lose weight. In today's video, we will visit the kitchen lab to see how cinnamon, coconut oil and honey can not only add zest to your coffee, but can also help you shed some pounds. 1. Cinnamon. Just as aromatic as coffee, cinnamon also has medicinal properties. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which work in concert to fight against infections and inflammation. Cinnamon can reduce blood sugar levels, which make you feel full longer, and that sensation will hopefully suppress your appetite. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good type of fat because it consists of medium-chain fatty acids. The ones you want to avoid are the long-chain fatty acids. Medium chains metabolize differently. Once they reach the digestive tract, they are shipped directly to the liver, where they are used immediately for energy. Coconut oil increases metabolism and energy expenditure. Fat burning will be induced. 3. Honey. Honey contains sugar, an excellent source of vitamin C and B6 and various essential minerals. Some of these nutrients are iron, potassium, phosphorus and calcium. This combination creates a healthy balance between sugar and nutrients. When the body begins to digest sugar, it summons stored vitamins and minerals to the playing field. Once they enter the action, they engage in the fat-dissolving process. Besides its pleasing taste, honey can also increase good cholesterol levels. You'll want to stick with organic honey for optimal health benefits. How to make a healthy additive for your coffee. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 3/4 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup raw organic honey. Directions: mix and blend until the mixture is smooth. Store the unused portion in a sealed container. How to use: add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the prepared mixture to your morning coffee, stir and enjoy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.